Westfield High School today because we are doing the Toughest Competitor Alive. We're on day 3 of 4, and we've got all these competitors worldwide that have come together over the 4 days to have an opportunity to compete. It's called Toughest Competitor Alive for a reason. So they start with a 5K, they move over to a shot put after they've done that, then they go to a 100-meter dash, then they're asked to move over to Cub Run where we were able to do their 100-yard swim. Then they come back to Westfield High School for their rope climb, and then they head over for a bench press, a pull-up, and then they finish the day with an obstacle course, which has multi-facets within it. We have over 200 competitors total, and those are obviously comprised of firefighters and police individuals, and they stem from all over the world. I mean, Croatia, Kazakhstan, Spain, Finland, Sweden, I could go on and on. Like, the list is over, I think, 20 countries. What we've got is over the 4 days, it's broken into gender and age brackets. So our first day was women and masters, which was men 50 and older. Our second day was men from 40 plus. Today we've got men 18 to 34 competing. Tomorrow is the teams. So we've got doubles, and then we've also got teams of 4 that'll be competing, and that'll be the 4th and final day of Toughest Competitor Alive.
Firefighters need to stay fit. We have to save people, we have to carry people, we have to work with heavy tools, we have to carry our own gear. If you're not safe, you can't do that job. Today, hardest was swimming, definitely, yeah. But the easiest, yeah, I've been running marathons, so running was easy. 5Ks, I was good on that one.
When I first got hired in the department about 4 years ago, and I first learned that the county was going to be hosting the games, and it was going to be here in our backyard, slowly started training and working up basically until this past year, kind of training pretty hard, definitely over this past few months to prepare and get ready for it.
Well, there's a reason why it's TCA Toughest Competitor Alive, because it really is. You have to train, because if not, these guys will eat you alive. A lot of running, a lot of dedication, and the things that you're not good at, you want to train more. Things that you kind of know you already can do, you kind of keep that to the side and then train as you go with that. You don't want to be best at one thing and then kind of not good at other things. You want to be overall kind of in the mix of everything, so you're up there. So that's my goal, is just to be in the mix, and then hopefully eventually towards the last 3 events, kind of pull away.
I'm born and raised in Fairfax County, and I come from a family of public servants. My dad is actually here volunteering, and he's a retired Fairfax County police officer. My mom's worked human resources for Fairfax County and Arlington County. My brother is a former Marine and currently a deputy with the Fairfax County Sheriff's Department. So getting a chance to represent not only my fire department, my station, and my family's, it's a dream come true.
I have the benefit of being married to a 3rd-generation Fairfax County firefighter, so my husband and his father and the grandfather, so all 3 were really instrumental. It's been amazing. It's been a family affair, and we're just really, really honored to have the opportunity to just display and showcase what all of these individuals have been working so hard for. And to have it here in Fairfax County is fantastic. Obviously, we're local in Virginia, and I mean, we've had people from the county be able to come out and compete here within Toughest Competitor Live and the other events occurring here at the Fairfax Games, and it's just been a real honor.